Hey guys, welcome back to Dell Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix 105035 Zoom. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, this is a screen sharing failed. So sometimes if you have a corrupted data, this happens. So guys, first things first is you could just simply open up the Zoom application into your computer and just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So to do that, you could just simply go for the profile over here. And now you could just simply go for check for updates. Now, if there are any available updates, you should be able to see it over here. But right now I have the updated version. And now if the issues still persist, guys, maybe your Zoom is corrupted. So you have to uninstall it. So first things first, you could go for the settings into your computer, go for the install the apps, and from here you could just simply search for a Zoom. And now over here, select the three dots over here, guys, and select uninstall, and confirm that you are uninstalling the app. And after that, you could just simply search for Zoom download on Windows. And if you are using a iOS, of course, it's a Mac, and they will have available version for it as well. And just simply select download a 64-bit over here. Now, after that, just simply go ahead and open up the downloaded file, guys, and automatically it will install into your computer. And just simply wait for some time. And after that, guys, you should be able to have your Zoom running back in. And the last part is just simply restart your computer in order for you to totally refresh your Zoom. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.